Hello friends, today we will talk about gratitude. What is gratitude? Why is gratitude important? How to develop gratitude in life? So, what is gratitude? Every time when we say a sincere thank you to someone, it's a form of gratitude. It is synonymous with appreciation, acknowledgement, and respect. Think about a time when someone helped you in crisis, listened to you when you were feeling low, or gave you a shoulder to cry on. You feel positive about that person who helped you. This can help you strengthen your relationship with these type of people. So, gratitude can be expressed in many ways. It is not always required that you should be thankful to them. Sometimes a smile or a handshake is enough. For many people, praying is the most important type of gratitude. And for some people, it may be in the form of receiving a present. Many times we advised to count blessings, which is a conscious method of appreciating the things what we have. Some of the things what we considered blessings are a roof over our head, food on our plate, clothes to wear, and whatever basic human needs we have. We should be thankful for all these necessities which makes us happier and more satisfied in life. Why gratitude is important? Gratitude is important if we want to nurture relationship with our friends and family. So cultivate a habit of saying thanks whenever we get something or someone support us for some work, and because of that we adopt a positive mindset. A feeling of gratitude help us appreciate the things we have rather than focusing on what we don't have. The importance of gratitude in life is best understood with the quote, do not spoil what you have by desiring what you have not. Remember that what you have now was among the things you only hoped for. Sometimes, when you want more, you forget to appreciate what you already have. It's important to pause and acknowledge what you have achieved. Give thanks and make a conscious effort to be happy. How to develop gratitude in life? Gratitude isn't always an inner feeling, but a choice to make. This can be developed over time. There are many ways to develop gratitude in daily life. So, how we can pay gratitude? Number one, say thank you. This is the easiest way to express gratitude. Say thank you to parents, say thank you to friends, and say thank you to everyone who helps us even in the smallest way. Acknowledge co-workers for their important work, acknowledge our managers, peers, juniors, and send a thank you note or email at the end of meeting or conversation to appreciate their time. Number two, acknowledge other people's efforts. Sometimes when people do things for us, we tend to take it for granted. But even even if our family members or if mother provides a glass of water or our children do something for us, we should be thankful for their effort. A work, if a close colleague helps you with our task, then we should express our appreciation. That will strengthen our relationship. Number three, develop a positive mindset. Start morning with a positive note, and that will change the course of day. If we want to be happy, we have to make certain decisions that lead on the path. Many people turn daily affirmations as a way to make a positive mindset. Some of these affirmations are like this: I am my own person. I am good enough. I am empowered. I am healthy. Number four, accept yourself. The moment we start building ourselves, we learn to accept what we are. For our personal growth, we have to care for ourselves and be grateful the person we become. So before we start appreciating others, we have to appreciate our own efforts. We have to work hard to get where we are and remind ourselves of that we are also important. Number five, volunteer and give back. Try to give back to society, to share gratitude with others. We should try to support a cause what we believe in. So this way we pay gratitude in our daily life. What are some examples of gratitude? We should be thankful to the person who cooked for us, being thankful to God for good health, appreciating the person who cleans the house, acknowledge your junior at work, being grateful to self for financial independence. These are some of the examples. So thank you for listening, and I am grateful for all people who listen this video on gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you.